Steph?
Just past Caneville, on our way to Hanksville area.
Yeah?
The great view of back to Butte. Looking at a hillside for some stuff.
So there are, if you look around in the various places you can look to find spots for hunting rock, you'll find a couple of places that are defined through this whole area. And they all have kind of this characteristic where you're near you've got a hillside and there's just a lot of rock on top of it. So we randomly chose a hillside just south of Swingarm City to look for agate, and we found a few pieces of petrified wood in these areas. So we'll see if we can find any petrified wood. And Stephanie, I'm wondering what you think that is right there by my hammer.
Oh, let me get out of the sun. Well, did you already find a piece of petrified wood?
Is it?
Sure looks like it could be. Oh.
I don't think so.
Wait.
That side, it looks like it's maybe very worn petrified wood, because that looks like petrified wood, doesn't it?
That side sure is.
We'll spray it off and look at it in a little bit. So possibly, huh?
Yeah, because we've found petrified wood around here.
Probably petrified wood.
Yeah. Up a little further, there was a mound. Very similar to this one, right?
Yep, we find stuff on mounds like this quite often. Also a lot of agate here. A little bit of jasper.
Lots of lava rock, too.
You can see some... This looks kind of interesting.
Kind of a conglomerate.
Conglomerate of...
We're not going to find shells. Well, you could find a few shells here.
Possible.
We found a couple here.
They're more a little further out. That might be a little piece of petrified wood right there, too. Some of the Factory Butte area has some petrified wood that looks a little bit like that.
Yeah. So
we'll just kind of see what this leads us to.
Well, it's more layered. I don't usually see that in the quartz, do you?
No. So we've got a couple of rocks we're going to look at. And you're just going to spray those off and see what they turn out to be.
Muddy. Isn't
So
that pretty?
that band
Yeah.
is gorgeous.
I thought that was kind of cool.
I talked to my phone last night. I told it if it doesn't shape up and do better today, it's gone.
That is really pretty.
And also banded.
Wow. Yeah, that's gorgeous. I like that a lot.
I think it's okay to call those agate.
Yeah, I thought that would be pretty. Look at that.
That's seems more jasperish.
Yeah, this is jasper. It's just one I picked up because I thought it was pretty.
Very pretty.
I don't know what
this one is
is.
a mystery.
Yeah. Look at that color.
It looks a little bit like petrified wood, except for that side. The hard part is a lot of the rocks here are quartzite.
Yeah.
And they will break open and they will look somewhat like chalcedony.
Yep.
But boy, that's
it's
really
pretty though, isn't it? And these weird yellow ones we found.
Yeah, I think those are... Normally I'd say they're quartzite, but they don't look like quartzite.
Look, there's a little bit of that jasper banding that we see, and it's kind of around the edge.
It almost has a horn coral shape to it, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's kind of cool. I don't know.
But that would be odd colors for it. Green and yellow and red.
Yep.
All right, let's keep all those.
I agree.
Oh, we can see right here, we're on top of the hill a little bit now. So we found one piece of petrified wood, one piece of something, two pieces of who knows what. Lots of quartzite and some really great agate. And look at the view we found. So that looks over towards Water Pocket Fold or Capitol Reef. And in the very background, you might be able to see what I think is Boulder Mountain.
Check this out.
All right, what am I checking out?
How red that is.
Ooh.
And I don't think I had cleaned this one, but I thought the colors in it were pretty.
Oh, look at that.
Isn't that pretty?
It's really a lot more clear. I thought it was going to be just a piece of agate.
It's kind of cool.
That is really cool. Lots of really pretty red agate here, or red chalcedony. Again, this might be one of the throw you off pieces. Yep. So that has some look of of agate, but that rounded back makes me think it's probably not, even though it has some translucence. And is fairly smooth. Mysterious stuff to me. Some obvious quartzite. Little pieces of
Lava rock? Or
lava rock, which I assume was erupted out. It's hard for me to know.
Oh, that's gonna be pretty lifted. You can tell.
Oh, not even sprayed off. That's really pretty.
Yeah. Ooh, look at this one. Look at this chunk.
Is that quartzite or is that agate? It's got the square shape of agate, doesn't it? Or the more blocky.
Yeah.
It's pretty.
But the way it flakes.
Did you want me to put this one in the...
Yeah, sure.
All right. Turn off the camera for a bit and see what else we find.
Okay, what did you end up finding up on that hill, Kent?
I don't know.
Not sure?
I'm not ready.
Okay, now you ready, dear?
I'm ready.
All right, let's see what you found.
Hi, this is between both of us, but I thought these were pretty interesting. So first of all, I would say the most difficult part about this area is the stickers.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you gotta watch out for those.
Definitely.
And then it's sometimes hard to tell if you have just a conchoidal fracture of a quartzite rock or actually agate, and sometimes they look like you can see the broken rock and you pick part of it up, and I think even then it can be a little bit difficult to tell. But I think we've done a pretty good job of finding just agate or microcrystalline quartz pieces.
Some jasper too.
There's some jasper in it. Well, jasper includes microcrystalline. That's really interesting. We saw that one earlier. We saw that earlier. I don't know if your phone will zoom on that.
Yep.
But you can see some of the glow with it.
Yeah.
And a lot of red up there. I think we saw a lot of really nice reds. We didn't pick as many of those up for whatever reason.
Yep.
But you can see some of the nice reds in there.
Very nice.
And I think this is one we've already looked at before. But look at the yellow plus the little lines that have those little orange
gorgeous
lines. Gorgeous. I thought this one was pretty. It was when I picked up after. I thought it might be able to be cut through here and have something done with this top because it's got like a very faint pigeon blood, like just little droplets.
That one's interesting too.
I think this is one you picked up. And what surprised me was like the banding is so fascinating. That there's that band right through there that's a dark yellow. There's the lighter yellow here. Then there's the jasper coloring here. And then right there, we've got this like peach color almost.
I know. I love that.
And there's some translucence there in the middle. I really like that one as well.
Very nice.
I just always like
those reds are
those
great.
reds
aren't they?
that have some of the translucent agate in it. I just love those.
Yep.
Let's see. This one I picked up but didn't spray. I don't think we'd be able to do anything with that. It's kind of pockmarked.
Yeah, do you want to toss that one
pretty,
probably?
Yeah, I'll toss that one.
Okay.
I don't think there's a way to do anything with that.
Okay, I'm dying to see what you found up at the top that I didn't see next, so.
And that one feels almost more like quartzite than it does Jasper even, but it's really got some pretty colors in it.
Yeah.
Let me pick that one up.
Well, they're all microcrystalline quartz varieties anyway.
So this one, well, that one might not be. Well, that one, quartz is not microcrystalline quartz.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So quartzite is not.
Oh,
so I
look at that
thought
weird
this was
thing.
really interesting. I don't know what to make of that.
Some kind of fossil there.
That looks like something biological lived on it.
Yeah.
And on that side too. Look at the little tracks around the hole that are so fascinating.
Weird.
So I grabbed that
like
one.
One of those lamprey things. They have mouths with the.
So gonna probably go to the expert. We're gonna visit with the rock shop in Hanksville today. I think. What is it? Rock riding or something along those lines.
The rock shop. Yep.
Yeah, the rock shop. So there are a couple of pieces that are clearly petrified wood, right? That may not look as much like it. There's a nice little red band right
Yeah.
there, by the way. But then you turn it sideways.
Look at the
And you can see
sides,
that
yeah.
bark.
Yep.
Now, I know that more because I picked it up next to its twin. And you can really see the edge
Oh,
on
yeah.
that, the
Look
edge
at that.
there. So that would be one that would maybe
Those are a
sit like
lot
that.
easier to tell on the
Easy to tell.
petrified wood scale.
Now, these are a little bit tougher. Quite often we'll see stuff like that. It has some druzy on it. You can see some of the druzy right there. Has some lines in it, but it's...
Oh, that's petrified wood now that you've watched it off. Yep.
I don't know if it is. I'm a little bit unconvinced because it's much like the other piece we picked up.
Well, that one looks different though. You can tell that's the coloration of the banding, whereas the other one has actual banding.
That one looks druzy-ish as well. But I don't necessarily like that. Fractures a little bit like it, but I'm not as convinced about that one. I'm a little more convinced about this one. This just has too much of the shape. You can see some of the rings there. That looks like a stem maybe coming off.
Sure does.
So that one I feel more comfortable about. This falls in with these three where that looks nothing like it.
Yeah, see
but
that.
But then you rotate it around.
Yeah.
And you start seeing a little bit more of what looks like maybe rotting petrified wood. So those four I'm not sure of. Now, these are the harder ones.
Okay. By the way, I'm currently getting a sunburn, so blast through this last part. I'll edit this out, but I just want you to know.
Should we stop here and get some suntan lotion on you?
No, I want you to be able to talk about what's on the back.
So that looks like petrified wood to me, right?
Yeah.
And if you remember, the piece you picked up yesterday looks a lot like that.
Yeah. That's a nice piece.
It might be. This stays in the same vein. That part right there looks like maybe some part of inner working. Yeah. But really nothing else on this
Isn't that weird?
Looks like petrified wood. I think it might be, though.
Yeah.
But it's less convincing to me other than like right through there, right?
Right.
And then we get to the stuff, I'm pretty sure that one is as well. You can see some of the center stem right there. But again, it's so silicified you don't see it.
Right.
A
little harder to tell.
Now we get to this one. That looks exactly like the edge you had on your rock. See, it's got the reds. It's got some of the linear
very nice
striations. But then I flip it over to this side, and again, it's harder to...
Looks like a potato.
Looks like a potato, but I think these are. Now, what's interesting is, if you find a piece like this, again, looks like it.
Quartz qualities.
And then maybe through here you see it. But boy, that sure looks like quartzite. And there's some pieces that look more like that. Now, this one starts to go even a little further, and I am hurrying. But I think this is still the same stuff.
Yeah.
I think there's the lines in here. Maybe you can see a little bit on the end. This is a more agatized version of some of these others.
Right.
That's the one you picked up, and you like the color. You said, I don't know what it is.
Yeah.
I think it might be, even though it's rounded and we think it looks like quartzite to us, I think this is petrified wood as well. And see, there's the stem. Now, it could be something else. It could be some sort of other biological. Now, the other thing I noticed when I was up there in some of these areas is that there are a bunch of these little pieces that might be fractures out of here, but are just thin fractures. And you can see some of those striations, I think. So I think these are pieces of petrified wood as well. And you can really see those popping up through here.
That looks more like barite. See how it's just the straight down.
It does, except that I found it in the pile of petrified wood.
That could give
and it does give me the same sort of, like if you look, it gives me those same lines. Just again a fracture. So I think those are petrified wood. I don't think they're a barite or something. They look a lot like it, but the linear stuff in there. And then this one, I'm totally unconvinced one way or the other, but I think that's also these little pieces of petrified wood that have just been very eroded.
Yep.
Very smoothed out. Now this is the one that's a little harder, right? This is the first one we picked up, but in a lot of ways that still follows this pattern that we're seeing of the other petrified wood. And on this side, You can see these lines. You can see some really gorgeous red agatized pieces through here.
It is really neat.
So I think it could be a plant or it could be petrified wood. So I'm keeping it.
I can't wait to see what the rock shop lady says.
I think she's going to say she agrees with me 100%.
All right, let's go find out.
Even though you were probably wrong about it, I won't rub it in later.
We'll see. It's a great view, factory view in the distance, right there. People having fun on their motorcycles too. Beautiful morning.